Hey everybody, ScottBurnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I'm standing here next to my truck, or I'm sitting here next to my truck, and I've done something to my tailgate to dress it up and to be a little patriotic. And I want to show you how to do it. It's inexpensive, takes just a few minutes and a little bit of time and a little bit of labor, not much. And I think it looks pretty cool. So y'all stay with us. Okay, on the Tundra tailgate, and I'll bring you in high here so we can look at it. Let me get down here. All right, it says on the instructions, be free of any grease or dirt or anything. The truck's clean, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean this better. And you can see how it's inset. And if y'all hear a bunch of four-wheelers and stuff going around, there's some people got four-wheelers in the neighborhood, so let me show you what this is going to look like. Okay, you get instructions, you get alcohol wipes, and you get the letters. They come wrapped like such. And they're going to be a little patriotic and going to look good, I hope. The ones I've seen really look good. So I'm going to take an alcohol wipe. I'm going to wipe the inset, or whatever you call it. Because the first thing it says on the instructions, if you don't have good preparation, you will not have a good adhesion. So I'm gonna wipe all these. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. It's getting a little late in the evening. This will make sure there's not any grease or anything like that on it. You'll see what I'm doing. Yep, there's the T. All right, so on the instructions, it says clean the installation area without removing the backing protective tape. Dry fit all pieces, noting correct placement, joins, and angles. So we'll take them all off, and it's got the little 3M adhesive on there. The T fits perfectly. The U fits perfectly. Here's the N. Here's the D. The R. And the A. All right. Remove backing tape, place letters on the surface, and let pieces be at room temperature before you install, which they have been in the house since about 1 o'clock today. So we'll take it and remove the 3M tape. I keep my fingernails so short it's hard to do. I should have brought my knife down. That looks about as straight as it can be. So I'll just continue on doing this. I just thought it was neat. You can get all kind of colors in this thing too. You can get dark, like a blackout, chrome. I think you can get whatever color you actually want. I wanted to dress it up and be a little patriotic. My son's in the military, and I'm really proud of him, and I try to support our military every chance I get. So I'll speed it up so y'all don't have to watch me fumble through this. And there you have it. It dresses up the truck really good. Gives me a little patriotic thing going on. And I think it looks good. I really like it. And it's inexpensive. It's about $30. I know it seems a little high, but they're supposed to last a long time. They got good 3M adhesive. So anyway, that's a quick video on this, and we got a couple more that come on the pipeline here. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that little subscribe button. Hit the little bell to be notified when I put a video out. I know this is quick. I was hoping to have a fishing video, but the fish didn't cooperate. So, but we're going to remedy that. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a great weekend, and hope you have a good evening. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.